this video I'll be showing you how to install the leading edge articulated arm light system with a cold shoe mount for any camera, LED light or any cold shoe mount type system on the TSPROF K03 unit, either on the Professional, Expert or the basic unit. So for now I'm just going to be putting the articulated light system to the side and using the respective mounts and a 2mm hex Allen drive for the standard K03. We'll do the standard K03 mount last. Just put that to the side. To start with, I'm going to be showing you how to install the mount for the articulated arm on the K03 Pro and K03 Expert. The installation is the same for the Pro and the Expert, but I will demonstrate both of them. So let's start at the very latest unit of the K03 with the latest rack and pinion, the new knurled knobs and the new head, also with a Pro lifting mechanism. So what we're going to be doing here is you purchase your articulated arm mount, remove the small screw that holds the extended angle adjustment of the K03 in place. Take your Pro or Expert mount, slide it onto the K03 unit, and then instead of using the grub screw on one of the sides, we're going to be using it in the back. So let's slide that back on, put the grub screw into the back, just start threading it, put the extended angle lift back in position and simply lock that into position. Then you'll be screwing your articulated arm into the mount right here for the K03. Like I said before, the Pro and the Expert installs exactly the same way. Let's just put this unit to the side for now. Extended lift Pro unit, again as it would be installed on your K03. Remove the grub screw in the back for the extended lift, install the mount, slide it back in position and simply reinstall the grub screw. And then you'll have the mount for the articulated arm. Now the last installation we'll be showing is the standard K03 without the extended angle lift. It's a slightly more complicated way to install this because we'll be needing a 2mm hex drive for, again, the standard K03 rack and pinion without the extended height lift. In the back of the unit you'll see two screws, 2mm screws. We'll start by removing those. Turn the unit around, and now the threaded bar can actually be removed by the rack and pinion. See, I'll hold on to the rack and pinion here. You'll see that the threaded bar is actually coming out completely. So we'll just pull that out completely. take the standard non-extended lift, just the regular standard K03 mount. The mount into position. Take your rack and pinion mechanism, slide it back into position all the way down so you can see the two little screw holes line up. Turn it around and see the screws line up nicely, and simply install both screws from the back of the unit again. This holds the threaded bar in position for the rack and pinion. There you go. Same as before, there's the position where you can install your articulated arm onto the TSPROF K03.